a brand new solution to your problems. Easy, practical, and ready to print. The glove box latch handle for the Iveco Stralis and Hi-Way. Now in a 3D printable version just for you. After printing it sideways with supports, it's cleanup time. Remove them all and fit it in just like this. All right, let's test if the little pin fits just right. Look at that perfect snap. This step requires a bit of patience. We need to insert the spring. It's a little tricky, but don't worry, it fits perfectly. Look at this beauty. Just remember to place the little clips on the pin and you're ready to go. And that's how easy it is to fix the glove box latch handle of the Iveco. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next 3D spare parts. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.